The glorious woodpecker. Not to mention we are in the presence of 3 of these beautiful creatures. The way they insert their beaks into the tree is remarkable. They will spend hours upon time pecking and pecking at the same tree to get insects into their mouths. We just lost one of the woodpeckers. Here is one of the woodpeckers. You can see their very unique haircut. They have red hair. I am right next to one. I am directly next to a woodpecker. I'm gonna use my wraparound technique here. There's the woodpecker. I'm gonna go to this side. There's the woodpecker. Look at that woodpecker. That is a beautiful woodpecker. Oh, peck some wood, would ya? Would you, woodpecker? Would you peck some wood for me? Come on, woodpecker. Peck some wood. Would ya? How much wood could a woodpecker peck? A woodpecker peck. Fuck. Pack it.
Pack it!
Pack it!
Pack it now!
Oh, he's looking at me. He's gonna peck me. He's gonna peck me in the pecker. The woodpecker's gonna peck me in my wood. Maybe he pecks wood. That's why he's a woodpecker, huh? You gonna peck me? Oh, he's gonna fly, George. We're gonna lose him. That is a woodpecker, boys. Let the woodpecker. Holy shit! The woodpecker almost got me.